A cracked heat exchanger can quickly turn a routine furnace issue into a life-threatening hazard. A failing heat exchanger can leak carbon monoxide into living spaces while still delivering warm air, so install and test a carbon monoxide detector on each floor and near sleeping areas to catch any invisible leaks. Cracks also allow combustion gases and soot to circulate and corrode adjacent components, so have the furnace shut down and inspected as soon as you suspect a problem rather than waiting for intermittent symptoms. Heat exchanger failure can create hot spots and flame rollout that increase the risk of an ignition in the burner compartment. So do not attempt temporary bypasses or run the unit with service panels removed. Replacing a cracked heat exchanger is often the only durable fix because welding or patching on modern units is unreliable and can void warranties. So get a replacement match to the make and model and have a qualified technician perform the swap and pressure and leak testing afterward. If a homeowner notices yellow or smoky burners, unusual odors when the furnace runs, excessive cycling, or unexplained flu-like symptoms among occupants, treat those as red flags and remove people and pets until detectors and a professional inspection confirm safety. Keep combustible materials away from the furnace room and maintain clearances per the manufacturer instructions to reduce the chance that a small leak or hot spot becomes a fire. Common mistakes include ignoring intermittent symptoms because the furnace still produces heat, which risks ongoing carbon monoxide exposure and delayed detection. The fix is immediate shutdown and testing with a detector and professional inspection. Another error is attempting homeowner repairs such as welding or using high-temperature sealants on the exchanger, which rarely restore structural integrity and can create dangerous hidden failures. The correct action is replacement with the proper part installed and tested by a trained technician. A third frequent concern is bypassing safety controls like flame rollout switches to keep the system running. That overrides protections designed to prevent fire and poisoning. So never bypass or tape over switches, and always rely on proper diagnostic procedures and component replacement. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can evaluate furnace safety and perform exchanger replacement and testing. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world experiences, tips, and questions so we can all make safer choices about heating system repairs and maintenance.